What is up, YouTube? Today I'm headed to Rip with Team Banjo Legs, and I'm talking to y'all in the car first because when I get with them, they try to make things awkward when I try to talk to y'all, you know, on like a personal level. Anyway, I wanted to make an announcement that I'm changing my description in my videos a little bit. I don't know if y'all ever click on my description in the videos, but I've been flying the Ovonic batteries for a while, and I've been flying the same ones for a few months now, and them things are performing like they were brand new. I'm not just saying that because I'm like sponsored by them or whatever. Those batteries are really legitimate batteries. So I've always, in my description, I had a link to an Amazon link to the 5S batteries that I'm using. So now they've changed it a little bit. They want me to use their Ampal website. I think it's ampal.com. I don't know. Link in the description if I'm not saying that correctly. But anyway, what they've done, which is going to lead to some of the other things that I'm changing in the description, but what they've done is they gave me a code to give you guys to save 5%. Just use the code TAQ, T-A-Q, at checkout, and you will save 5%. I don't get any kickback from that. I'm not benefiting from that at all. I'm doing it for, you know, you guys to save 5%. So I think that's pretty cool. And then I'm removing the Race Day Quads affiliate link from my description, and it has nothing to do with the drama that's going on. It's really because I don't know if I should get into it, but I've asked them to give me a discount code to pass out to people, and they just won't give me one. So I've got rid of that affiliate link to make room for an affiliate that will give me a code to give to you guys so y'all can save some money. Because, you know, I mean, I would like to definitely make a living out of this, but I wasn't making a whole lot. I was making a little bit on the Race Day Quads thing, you know, like at first everybody was using it, and then I also had a Rotorite affiliate link in there, and nobody, not one time in the months that I've had that affiliate link, not one person clicked it or bought anything. I don't know how many people clicked it, but not one person bought anything. But they've changed their website now, so that affiliate link don't really work anymore. So I'm pretty much just going to have the Flynoceros link in there and the Ovonic link in there for now. I have a friend code where you can save on Flynoceros frames. So I'm pretty much just going to start having affiliate links in my video that, not really affiliate links, I'm just going to have links in my video that y'all can save money if you use it. So that's pretty much the whole deal here. So let's get to ripping. Let's stop talking. And I just wanted to tell you guys that I just felt like I needed to say something about it. So yeah, let's go rip.
Cold sweat, shoot, I feel like trash magic. Knew it was a dangerous idea. I'm in trouble now. Can't stand up while I spin around. Bloodshot eyes, can't see the ground. Flip my world upside down. I'm in trouble now. Yeah, I like you, and it's got me shook. I like you, yeah, you got me hooked. Come to me, come to me, come to me, baby, won't you ring me out? I can't stop this dirty lightning, shaking my head from left to right. Just throw me in the wash, baby, 'cause it's been a night. This drunk heart palpitates, makes me shake to the beat, to underneath the sheets, and we ain't gonna sleep.
Chop some too.
See, I'm glad that I did that intro on the way there because, like usual, when I get there and I'm like, hey, what's up, everybody? We have fun, we rip, and then I forget the whole time to like vlog. It just happens. Sometimes it happens, like if I don't like set out. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that flight footage from today. Say hello to Kit Kat right quick while he's chilling out right there. And let me know if you would subscribe to Patreon if I started one. Bye.